There are 4 camshaft adjuster magnets on the 991.2 engines. There are 2 on each side located at the rear of the engine on both the intake and exhaust camshafts, red arrows. They can all be serviced from below. I have removed a bunch of components to illustrate the upper magnets. You do not need to do this unless you are having trouble from below. This photo illustrates the upper camshaft magnet on the right side intake. There are 2 T30 torque fasteners on each magnet, red arrows. Again, you can do this work from below, but we could not access the electrical connection from below as ours was really stuck on. Use a pick and lift up on the locking tab indicated by the red arrow. Press in on the release tab and pull the electrical connector up and off of the magnet, red arrow. Use a T30 torque and remove the 2 fasteners, red arrows. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to escape. There is not a lot of room to work. Make sure the torque is seated correctly before applying force. The lower 2 magnets have a heat shield secured by 2 E10 torques, red arrows. Remove the fasteners and remove the heat shield, red arrow. This image shows the upper magnet from below and shows the access to the fasteners, red arrows. This image shows the access to both fasteners from below, red arrows. Installation is the reverse of removal. Put a light film of Porsche synthetic gasket lubricant or equivalent on the O-ring. If you are reinstalling the old sensors, always make sure to replace the O-rings. It's a lot of work to get to these, and you don't want to do it all again because the old O-ring drips oil. Both sensors and heat shield fasteners are torqued to 10 Newton meters or 7.5 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.